Did you know in most cases when plumbers do come to your house to unclog your bathroom sink, the biggest problem they run into is actually an easy fix? Most of the jobs that I've come to on the bathroom sink is simple. And I'm sure that there's a lot of you out there that do understand what I'm saying. And you know, what is it? Hair. Hair caught in the line. This is where everyone comes to shave, comb their hair, wash their hair. This is it. So when I do come to someone's home to unclog a bathroom sink, first thing I do is remove the pop-up. This is the piece that goes up and down, as you can see already. What? Hair. So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to wash that hair off of it and clean it up. But before I put that back in place, you can see the hair again accumulates. And this is only a short period of time. It didn't take long to clog this up. So now I go to the bottom of the sink and I'm going to remove the P-trap here. And a lot of times you will get sediment and stuff that's caked up in the bottom of this P-trap, as you can see right there. But it's not as bad as I've seen some. And so now I'm going to get the remaining hair out of the shaft of the pop-up. And I'm using just a ordinary coat hanger and a piece of tissue and just shoving it down the hole down into the bucket. And this is going to clean all the sides out and everything that needs to be out the way, so that this gives us a nice clear passageway. So now the drain will drain nice and easy. Don't mind the dog in the background. He just wants to be in the video. I'm Claude Taylor, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and become a subscriber. Thank you.